So today I'll be showing you how to enable animations on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, if you have animations disabled, or they're turned off, or they're not working for some reason, you need to turn them on. And to do that, you have to go into developer settings. Now, if you don't have developer settings or developer options enabled, you need to first of all go ahead and enable them. And once they're enabled, you can now scroll on the main settings page and see developer options if you have them enabled. Now, if you don't, then you can watch my video on how to enable developer options. Anyway, get into developer options and then scroll down, and you need to scroll quite a bit until you get to the animation section. The drawing section, this one right here. So inside the drawing section, you will see Animator duration scale. So tap on that. You can see for me, it's currently off. Then I can choose to have it at 0.5x, 1x, 1.5x, 2x, depending on how much animation you want. So let me just put it at maybe 5x. Okay. Now, when you do that, then you're going to basically, you can see the animations are quite slow. So when I open apps like this, you can see everything is just being exaggerated in terms of animation. Now, that's a bit much. 5x is a bit much. You might want to slow it down a bit. So if I go back into that setting and maybe go back to animator duration cycle and maybe go to 1x, okay, and then you'll see that it's going to be much faster. But then you have animations still in the user interface. So that's basically how to enable animations on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.